Turn to page 14 for section 1-2. Section 1-2, the triad at the bottom. So if we do this together, it says Juanita should use the decimal blank to update her report. If you haven't done long division in a while, this is good practice for you, okay? So you have 384 into 240 because if you read the problem, in the next several games the pitcher threw a total of 384 pitches and used a fastball 240 times. If you read the information at the top, which I would like for you to do, then you come down to this point, 240 fastballs over 384 total pitches. So 384 goes into 240 how many times? Well, I cannot get 384 to 240, so that becomes a 0. But I can get 384 into 2,400. Now, when you do long division, it's good and helpful to round these things. So let's see, sometimes it's trial and error. Will 384 go into this 7 times? Or will it be more? So 384 times 7, if I work that out, I'm going to get too much. So let's try 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. You carry the 2. 8 times 6 is 48 plus 2 is 50. And 3 times 6 is 18 plus 5 is 23. Then we go down here. What is the next step? So you bring down your 0 and you get 960. Well, 384 will go into 960 2 times. So 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 1, and you get 7, and you subtract. You borrow. 10 minus 8 is 2. You had borrowed from here. 15 minus 6 is 9. And you had borrowed here, and you get 1. So now I'm running out of numbers up here. I have to put another one and bring it down. 384 into 1,920. Let us try 5 times. When you multiply, you get the same answer, and so we're done. This is a terminating decimal, and you should get 0.625 on your report. How do you know it's a terminating decimal? Write your explanation here. Then we go to example 3 and example 2. So when we go over to example 2, it says, what is the decimal form of these? And determine whether each decimal repeats or terminates. Okay, students, you may use a calculator for this, or you can just go 3 into 100, 5, let's see here, 5 into 100, and you can work out 6 into 100. Tell me if those repeat or terminate. And on this last one down here, just write your explanations. Tell me whether each is a rational number. Remember, if they can be written as a fraction, they're rational. Okay? And then answer the triad at the bottom. Now on 1-5, before you start homework today, or not homework, we don't do homework in NTI really, we do practice activities. You're going to work more on addition and subtraction. And we start on page 32. On page 32, work out these problems here. The triads on page 33, here and here. Once you've completed these tasks, you are to go in your Savvis Realize and do Excel's 1-2 and 1-5. Thank you.